Yo, it's Booty. I'm at Cherry State Park in Denver. That's right, we're in Denver, baby. And it smells a little poopy out here. Might be because of the geese, but the Rockies are in the distance, and it's a nice little reservoir we got here. Um, and Today was spent doing a lot of walking. Um, a lot of trying to get things and failing, but I got some mushroom supplements, so I can check that off. Um, and I tried to get a new phone cover for my Galaxy Note 9, but it is too outdated to find in a store. Um, so I also tried to deposit some checks at Edward Jones, but two apparently they stay at home on Thursdays. That beats me. But anyways, I'll do that tomorrow. Um, and Going back to the train ride yesterday, and it was such a lovely train ride. Um, yeah, I met a few people there in the observatory cabin. Um, One is named Serena. She's on a cross country bike trip from New Hampshire, but I think she may be stopping that and doing something else, some other kind of adventure. Um, she's going to be going to a rainbow gathering, which, from what I understand, is a smaller scale Burning Man um, in California. And she may have convinced me to go as well. We'll see about that. Um, so she's also with a friend named Julia. She just met her the other day. She's also biking. Um, and she's from France. Um, she's a comic book artist. And she drew us talking in the observ- observ- observatory cabin. And she's amazing. She's amazing at what she does. I'll put a picture in the video. Sophia, um, she's from Denver. Um, it's a pleasure talking to her. Davin as well from New York. We all hung out and talked about anything and made jokes and drank wine. It was a lovely time, and the views weren't spectacular, but it was very nice to see the countryside and plains and rolling hills. Even the corn got some love. Um, so um, the views on the Zephyr train turn out to be spectacular after you pass through Denver. Go figure. But yeah, regardless, it was a great time, and something about shared, slow shared travel like bus, train, even hiking a trail. Um, I think really helps you connect with people more on a deeper level, easier, quicker. It's just something where none of you have nowhere to be at the present moment, and um, you're not thinking about anything else at that point in time besides the present moment. So it was just something I love about it, and so glad I took the train. Um, so we all went our separate ways this morning, um, and yeah. So I don't know what I'm doing the rest of the day. Maybe camping here. It's pretty nice. Um, we'll see. I'm getting thirsty, and yeah, I might be going to a rainbow gathering. I have to wait for my friend to send me his hammock. He's coming back from vacation on Saturday. Um, Eric has a Dutch wear hammock that he is going to send me. Um, so I'd have to wait for it anyways. So why not bide my time at a rainbow gathering? Anyways, can't really think of anything else right now. So I'll talk to y'all later. Booty out. Good day. It is Booty here, just taking in some shade in Denver. It is day 5, I believe, um, and shoot, where did I leave off? Oh yeah, at the Cherry State Park. So I did a lot more traveling after leaving Cherry State Park. Found a shortcut to the light rail station, and man, I had to leave because I was so thirsty, and there's no water available to get. Otherwise, I might have just stayed the night there. It's such a cool spot. But anyways, I was so thirsty, and I got off at Broadway. Um, just started walking and got a couple drinks at the grocery store. Um, went to a dispensary and asked about had a hankering for fried chicken. Um, the guy there recommended the Post, which was awesome. Like it was very well done. Fried chicken there. Um, had like some nutmeg and cinnamon and honey um, mixed in their sauce. They had Nashville hot too, and oh, it's so good. Very high quality food. Um, anyways, I left there, and I went to find a camp spot at this park. I forget what it's called, but um, there's like a extension program there for people like 4-Hers and um, people into planting and gardening and all that. There's a little golf course as well, playground, basketball court. So it was fairly good. Um, Fairly good place to camp. Anyways, I found a good spot under these pine trees, and it was very comfy. Um, I set up my tarp to kind of camouflage myself, and thankfully, I did that because there's a sprinkler system that went off at 2 a.m. So I was very fortunate to have done that. instead of get. This has happened before along the PCT as well. Um, in Etna, the town of Etna, you can stay at their rec area, and they also had a sprinkler system that I did not know about that started drenching me in the middle of the night. So always setting up the tarp is in these like public areas is a good idea. Um, also, on the way to finding that camp spot, um, there was someone that waved me down across the street, and I was like, "Oh, hey!" He seemed super friendly, and he's like, "I saw you at Cherry State Park. Um, how'd you get here so fast?" And I was like, "Well, I walked, but I also, you know, took a train and a bus and did a bunch of other stuff." But he was so like amazed, and then he started asking what I was getting into, and told him about my adventures and gave a little background, and showed him what was in my pack, and he was super interested in um, everything. And he was with his wife and friend, um, and I talked to them for a few minutes or so, and he said his name's Seth, and Seth said, if whatever you need, if you need anything, just please let me know. um, I'm in the Denver area, so whenever you need something, just let me know. And um, the whole day yesterday was kind of meh for me, but just having that conversation, um, really, really picked me up and made my whole day. So this is why I do these kind of things. This is why I travel and hike, to feel all fuzzy inside from people like these. Um, so there's a lot of good in the world. Just gotta find it. Um, anyways, I woke up this morning, um, well rested. I feel really good today. Um, I went to get some coffee and charge my phone and edit my first video. Um, try and figure out what the deal is with my backpack. Another situation has arisen. Um, my backpack, my new Osprey backpack that I ordered to my friend's house here in Denver, did not arrive. So I'm getting refunded for that. It is near impossible to find at any store in the U.S. It's very rare pack, so it's got to be ordered online. So I think I'm just gonna maybe buy a new backpack around here somewhere. Maybe, uh, hopefully, an Osprey similar pack. But this REI Flash 55 pack is a little annoying to try and pull my hip belt in every time. It gets very loose. It's teetering on the edge of being too big for me. I'm between medium and large size for backpacks, so this is a large, and it's very, very close to being too big for me. But got another rolling with the punch kind of situation. The Rainbow Gathering is not happening. It is canceled due to high fire risk. So I think I'm just gonna get started on this trail, either tomorrow or the next day if I can help it. Um, Another wrench has been thrown. Like I said before, the Edward Jones have been closed yesterday and also today. No one in any Edward Jones office is around. They're all at home, and apparently there's like a conference going on. So um, it's not a huge deal. I'll have to make friends with someone and use their non-outdated phone, which I have, and download the Edward Jones app so I can do a mobile deposit. Other than that, it's really nothing's really a big deal with all these kind of things. Figure out what to do with the new hammock being sent, but I'll just start hiking with my mattress and tarp, figure it out. But yeah, so got to start gearing up for the trail. Still gonna head to REI and see what they have there, pack wise, and figure everything out today, and maybe hit the Museum of Illusions if feeling froggy. So, anyways, it's been 7 minutes. I'll talk to y'all later. Booty out.